I walked out, stopped dead in my tracks because he was like right there. I'm like, okay, are you gonna walk away? Well, what are you doing? There was one right there. I just recorded. There was like 6 in here. Yeah. I'm like, what? Yeah. It just keeps looking at this house. Yeah. Hi. It just keeps looking at this house. Looking at this house. Oh. That's so funny. Oh. What is that? A cup? A cup in the yard. A cup in the yard. I bought birdseed. I have it in my bag. I have a whole bag of birdseed, and I bought the little birdhouse van. It's only $1. And the birdseed was only $5, so $6. Yeah! I get to feed all my birdie friends. When I get home, I'm gonna set it up. Look at a seagull. Is that a seagull? I think that's what that is. Are you going to the beach? Whoa! Huh? I tell you, those are little gray birds. Little gray birds. Oh my God, it's gonna be amazing. Whoa! Sometimes. Some of you are a little aggressive. Yeah. Bricks. Some of you are like bricks. Just come. Oh, what are these? What's over here in these storage bins? Oh, a bunch of books that got wet in the rain. Houdini. That's unfortunate. Damn. Unfortunate. What does that say? Somebody's learning something. Sitters. Walt Disney. Freckle juice. She's only 5 votes away from winning. 5. Something happened with the club. Oh shit. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Eagles. Eagles, eagles. Somebody's moving. Somebody's moving and a grooving. I don't know. I guess somebody was upset. They're blocking the road. So the po-po had to maintain control. The po-po had to maintain control. 50, 5-0. 5-0 had to maintain control with the moving truck. Oh, who's in front of my house? Oh, that's my neighbor. That's my neighbors. Both my neighbors. Read banned books. Oh yeah, they're trying to ban the books. Look at the gnome. I keep picking up on the gnome. I literally just bought. That's cute. Damn, I would take that, but I don't know. I just know. It's really cute though. Where I got the Gnomey gnome. Look. Look. There's a Gnomey gnome kitchen towel. And there's a Gnomey gnome right there. Read banned books. Yeah, they're trying to ban all like LGBT and stuff books. So they would make me get rid of some of my books. Anyways, but look. I don't know. I kind of like it. But, it's alright. Energy. Yeah, it's not like I have energy to really freaking do much of decorating anyways. I hate it. I fucking hate it. Stupid doctors.